Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Fitbit Inspire 2 to an Android phone. First, make sure your Inspire 2 is fully charged. This helps ensure a smooth setup. Next, grab your Android phone and confirm that both Bluetooth and your internet connection are active. Then, head over to the Google Play Store, search for the official Fitbit app, and download it. Once installed, open the app and either sign in to your existing Fitbit account or create a brand new one. Now, let's get your devices talking. Inside the Fitbit app, tap on your profile picture, usually located in the top left corner. From there, select the option to set up a device. You'll see a list of Fitbit trackers. Find and tap on Inspire 2. The app will guide you through accepting terms and granting necessary permissions. Finally, a 4-digit code will appear on your Inspire 2 screen. Simply enter this code into the Fitbit app on your phone to complete the pairing. After entering the code, your phone might ask for additional permissions, such as location services. It's important to allow these for your Inspire 2 to function correctly, especially for features like connected GPS. You may also see a Bluetooth pairing request pop up on your Android phone. Confirm this to establish the connection. Once confirmed, the Fitbit app will automatically connect to your Inspire 2 and begin its initial data synchronization. Keep your tracker close to your phone during this process. Congratulations, your Fitbit Inspire 2 is now connected. Take some time to explore the Fitbit app, where you can view your daily activity, sleep patterns, and much more. Remember to keep your phone's Bluetooth enabled for continuous, automatic data synchronization throughout the day. If you ever encounter syncing issues, a quick restart of both your Android phone and your Inspire 2 often resolves the problem. Also, regularly check the Fitbit app for any available firmware updates to keep your device running optimally.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.